Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to change the default search engine in Safari on your MacBook. If you type something into Safari's address bar and press Enter, Safari uses your current default search engine to show results. For many users, that is Google by default, but you can switch it anytime in just a few steps. Start by opening Safari on your Mac. Now click Safari in the top menu bar, then choose Settings. You can also open this faster by pressing Command and comma on your keyboard. Once the Settings window appears, click the Search tab at the top. Here you'll see the Search Engine option with a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down, and you can choose from available options such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or others depending on your Safari version and region. If privacy is important to you, DuckDuckGo is often chosen because it focuses more on private searching. If you prefer broad search results and extra tools, Google or Bing may suit you better. Simply select the one you want and the change is applied right away. You can now close the settings window. To test it, open a new tab, type anything in the address bar, and press Enter. Safari will now use the new search engine you selected. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. You can always switch back later using the same steps, so feel free to test different options and see which one works best for you, and that's it. You now know how to change the search engine in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.